Hello, good morning. It's Adrian Crawford. It's Williams Crawford and Walkabout Wednesday. Beautiful summer's day down here in a gateway to Cornwall. We get clients from all over the world coming down here to see us and pick up cars and drop things off for repairs and restoration and so on. So today I'm going to show you around some of the really interesting bits and pieces that we've got that have come from all over the place. Come with me, I'll show you around. So first of all, this 964 RS NGT. So this car was originally a German origin car and it went to Holland. I've got a client in London. We inspected it in Holland and are now in the process of importing it and getting it ready for him on the road. So definitely not a local client. The 67, client from Dubai. The yellow car there, the 993. First a client in France and then Ireland, and then it's back here to the UK. These two 356s have got their own story. The white car, the Carrera, that was an original UK car. This one was overseas delivery, so European delivered for the US, and that car's been in a few different countries, and often they are. We're going to focus on the older things because of course they move around a bit. This client's in Spain, that's where that car's lived, built in the UK and then back to Spain. This one, a European car, lived in a few different places. Now we've got an event in France coming up, and Richard, the driver of that car, has decided that he really wants to come home with a trophy again from San Guerno. So he has swapped his loyalty into this 997 GT3 Cup car. And this is a proper piece of kit, and Richard will still be in there doing the best he can, because these naughty Europeans will be all out to beat us. Someone needs to buy that shark blue 718, it's glorious. Ditto 997. We've got cars from all over the UK and Europe, and clients are worldwide, because it was long ago that I'd have saturated the market for our local area. Now this one interests me. Got a 996 turbo cab. Rare car. I think it's a car that we've seen before. They're lovely to use. I mean, they are a real do-it-all car. Can you imagine? That's nearly a 200 mile an hour motor car. I shouldn't try it because I think you might get into serious trouble. One of my picks would be the 718 Boxster. Now I really like this. I've seen a couple of things I really like about it. First of all, multifunction wheel. I like that. I actually like the Alcantara in the centre of the seats, just like a GT3. It means someone didn't pay extra for leather, but I think actually, especially in today's climate where we had 32 degrees here yesterday, really nice. Heated seats, climate. What else have we got down here? Sport button. Yeah, I like that. It's not the biggest spec, but I like the spec that it does have. I think that's well chosen. Looks great in the white with the matte black wheels. Now if you're buying one from us and you say, oh, I'd like the wheels in gold, grey, silver, whatever you want, just ask, and we got the facilities to be able to do so. So 50s, 356. Earlier car, probably a 54 or something, 356. What's this? 73. So we got 50s, 70s, 90s 993, 1, 3.2, 3 litre, 3 litre, and the red one's also a 3 litre SC. So we've got 50s, 70s, plenty of 80s, back to 70s, 80s, 90s. Whoa, 964 RS, early 90s, 964 Targa that we're done a really nice body restoration on. Look at that, beautiful horizon blue. Another, looks like we're doing the roof, putting a new roof on it. So a lovely little collection of G Series 911 here in the shop for various bits of maintenance.